Hey Dreamscapers! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks for transforming your home into a stylish sanctuary. Today, we're talking about the rule of threes in interior design. This principle is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their home decor effortlessly. It's a simple trick that can make your space look more stylish and balanced. By grouping items in threes, you create a harmonious and visually appealing arrangement. Let's dive in and explore how you can apply this rule to different areas of your home. The rule of threes is a design principle that says odd numbers, especially 3, create visual harmony. Whether it's furniture, decor, or artwork, threes make things feel balanced and dynamic. This principle is rooted in the idea that odd numbers are more interesting and engaging to the human eye. For instance, a living room with a 3-piece furniture set, a dining table with 3 chairs, or a bedroom with 3 decorative pillows can create a more appealing and cohesive look. The rule of threes can also be applied to other areas, such as kitchen counters with 3 jars, bathrooms with 3 towels, or office desks with 3 plants. By incorporating this rule, you can enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space. For furniture, try grouping 3 pieces, like a sofa and 2 chairs, or 3 small accent pieces. This creates a comfortable, inviting layout without looking too symmetrical. On your coffee table or shelves, arrange decor in threes, 3 vases, books, or candles. It's a great way to keep things visually interesting. With artwork, 3 pieces in a row or a cluster on the wall keeps things dynamic. Mix up sizes or frames for added flair. Don't overcrowd, leave some negative space around your threes to keep the space open and balanced. That's it. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the art of interior design. Remember, the rule of threes is a timeless principle that can transform any space into a harmonious and visually appealing environment. Whether you're arranging furniture, selecting decor, or even choosing colors, grouping items in threes creates a sense of balance and rhythm that is pleasing to the eye. The rule of threes is your go-to for creating a stylish, balanced space. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can elevate your home's aesthetic without much effort. So next time you're redecorating, think in threes. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more design tips. We regularly share insights and ideas to help you make the most of your living spaces. See you next time. Music fades out.